Hi, today I'm front of me Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. And here we can find the SIM eject tool. Let's open this paper box. Here we can see also the USB Type-C cable and some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide and the warranty card. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.